Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure as we guide you through the creation of an exquisite dish that beautifully marries the freshness of asparagus with the delicate layers of phyllo dough. The result? A symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Ingredients for phyllo wrapped asparagus: 16 plump and tender asparagus spears, sheets of flaky phyllo dough, velvety olive oil, your preferred vegan or regular cheese, for that extra touch of indulgence. Let's dive in. How to craft phyllo wrapped asparagus. Preheat your oven to a toasty 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius, setting the stage for culinary magic. Start by elegantly removing the tough ends of the asparagus, ensuring every spear is primed for the spotlight. Next, pamper the asparagus by either steaming or blanching them for just a few short minutes, until they're on the cusp of tenderness. Once they've reached the perfect state, drain them lovingly and give them a gentle pat dry. Allow them a moment of cool serenity. Gently extract 3 layers of this ethereal pastry from its package, ensuring you're handling it as delicately as a whisper. Begin this harmonious dance by brushing the first phyllo layer with a fine coat of olive oil, allowing it to glisten and shine. Lay the second layer atop this, gently caressing it with a touch of buttery goodness. Complete the trio with the third layer, treating it to the same pampering ritual. With the precision of a culinary artist, take your pizza cutter or knife and slice the phyllo dough in half lengthwise, then repeat this enchanting motion crosswise. Each rectangle thus created shall behave diagonally from corner to corner, like a transformation of shapes from geometry to gastronomy. Crafting the masterpiece. Bring your canvas of phyllo to life by placing 2 vibrant asparagus spears upon it. This verdant duo, full of promise, will be our central protagonists. Elevate the experience by adding a flourish of cheese, a vegan melody, or the embrace of regular cheese, depending on your desires. A sprinkle of salt and pepper adds depth to this culinary portrait. With a gentle touch, embrace each creation and fold it with care, like a letter sealed with flavor. The seam should rest on the baking sheet, ready to transform into a masterpiece. Every wrapped creation deserves a moment of enchantment. Bestow upon each piece a brush of olive oil, a gentle touch that will give it a golden glow as it bakes to perfection. Repeat this enchanting process until every asparagus spear finds its place within a cocoon of phyllo, each a testament to your culinary artistry. As our creations take their place on the baking sheet, slide it into the preheated oven, allowing the alchemy to unfold. Allow the magic to dance for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the phyllo wraps have achieved a captivating golden brown and a symphony of crispiness. And there you have it. Behold, your masterpiece of phyllo wrapped asparagus, a fusion of textures and flavors that dance upon your palate. The tenderness of asparagus, embraced by the crisp layers of phyllo, with the cheese adding its velvety charm, all harmonizing to create a culinary crescendo. Now, dear viewers, with this sensational recipe in your culinary repertoire, you're poised to captivate taste buds and create memories around the table. Indulge in this tantalizing delight and savor every bite. Until next time, keep creating, keep indulging, and keep savoring the magic of the kitchen.